Welcome to Master Your Push-Ups from Beginner to Pro. We're about to give your workout routine an amazing boost. Whether you're a first-time fitness explorer or a seasoned gym goer, a good push-up can be incredibly powerful. In this video, we'll guide you step by step, teaching you how to perfect your form, ramp up your push-up game, and avoid common mistakes that might be holding you back. But more than that, we'll break down push-ups to their core elements so you can adapt them to your level, progressing at your own pace, but always pushing your boundaries. As we go through the various modifications, keep in mind there's always a fit for you, so no need to be discouraged. Remember, push-ups are great not because they're easy, but because they challenge us, building our strength, endurance, and confidence. So, are you ready to master this remarkable exercise? Practice regularly, share your progress, and let's get strong together. And remember, every push-up you do is a step towards a fitter,